How to add using similar fraction method. Ibig sabihin, kahit dissimilar fractions ito, 2/3 and 1/5, gagawin natin yung similar fraction. So, other method yan. Aside pa sa butterfly method. So, 2/3 plus 1/5. Yung mga denominators natin are 3 and 5. So, yung 3, i-times by 5, below and above. Tapos, yung partner naman niya na 5, i-times mo din siya sa 3, below and above. Para gawin natin yung similar fractions. So, i-multiply ang 2 times 5, which is 10, over. So, 3 times 5, 15, and then plus 1 times 3, which is 3. Then 5 times 3, we have 15. So similar fraction na, automatic. I-add yung numerator. So 10 plus 3, we have 13. Over 15, copy the denominator. So since extracted form naman yan, wala man silang common factor except 1.